In the ancient Roman society, there are two classes of people. One were rich, called Patrician, and weaker class known as Plebeians. Prior to the formulation of the 12 tables, the laws of the Roman were unwritten and under the influence of the patrician class who derived the benefits of the kingdom. The plebeian class agitated for the writing down of the rights and duties of the citizen so that no difference can be made in administering justice. To formulate the laws, 10 commissioners were appointed. During 451 to 450 BC, the laws of the Roman society were formulated and inscribed on 12 bronze tablets, which is known as Law of 12 Tables. On the first attempt, 10 tables presented. In the next year, 2 more tablets or table were added. Each tablet contained different set of law governing the different sphere of the society. Let us have a brief discussion of the tables. Table number 1, Procedure of Courts. If the plaintiff filed a case and summoned the defendant must appear. If the defendant does not go and tries to evade, the plaintiff shall lay hand on him. If the defendant is sick or old, the court shall allow carriage. If the parties to the suit agrees, then magistrate shall pronounce judgment. If the parties to the suit do not agree, the plaintiff shall present his case before noon and throughout the day, and both parties put forward their respective arguments until sunset before the magistrate or assembly. Table number 2, Trial. Any one of the litigant who wants evidence shall on every third day shall shout at the doorstep of the witness. If the witness fail to appear before the court owing to the health, the court shall adjourn on that day. Table number 3, Execution of Judgment. When the judgment has been pronounced, 30 days time is given to fulfill the judgment. If the judgment debtor fails to comply the judgment, arrest can be done. Table number 4, Right of Father. If the deformed child born, then it shall be killed. A father can sell maximum 3 times of his son. Thereafter, son is free. Table number 5, Guardianship and Inheritance. Female to remain under guardianship even if they attains majority except vestal virgins. Table number 6, Ownership and Possession. When a party makes a conveyance, what he has uttered shall hold good. If a woman lives with a man throughout the year without interruption of 3 nights, will be treated as legal wife. Table number 7, Land Rights. The table deals with the land, boundary, roads related matters. If there is a dispute relating to the boundary, the third party will settle the issue. Table number 8, Law of Injury. This table deals with the civil wrongs between the citizens, including that of the physical injury. This include such as slander, fraud, etc. Table number 9, Public Law. This table deals with the greater relation between the citizens, that is the public life. It deals with the greater wrongs such as bribery. Table number 10, Religion. Women were not permitted to cry loudly or tear their face during the funeral. Table number 11, Supplement 1. Marriage cannot be performed between the two classes. Intercaste marriage was not permitted. Table number 12, Supplement 2. If a slave have done a damage with his master's knowledge, that will be in the slave's name. The law had brought a balance in the Roman society between the two classes, patricians and plebeians.